This is one of the most complicated female hair transplants I've done in terms of design, so I thought it would be worth showing it. So basically, I follow the natural hair angles, and the hair angles here, you don't want any abrupt changes to the angles to follow nature and also to help with placement and combability. These angles go down this way. So all of these hair angles go backwards, okay, to follow the natural pattern. You have to follow very, very carefully. And that's unlike most hairlines that go forward. She parts her hair on the right, so what you're seeing right here is a pattern that matches her hairline, or natural hair parting. So these hairs go down, okay? These hairs go down. Now these hairs go forward, and then they meet in the middle down here. These hairs go forward this way and meet with these going this way. So there's this apex right here where it goes in all different angles, okay? Over on this side, if you see, they sweep backwards, but then they curl up. So there's a U shape to follow this. And then these go forward, and these almost go back in this direction. These go this direction, go down farther, and then come down this way. So just a quick explanation of like about 15 different angles in the design of this reconstruction. We've also done PRP already into this bed with a cell for further growth, and I've also done PRP in the back of the scalp to help with enhancement of growth.